How to delete your Quotex account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to delete your account on Quotex, then here's how you do it. First of all, open the Quotex application or website and log into your account. Before proceeding with your deletion, make sure that you withdraw all the available balance on your Quotex account, cancel any open trades, make sure no pending transactions are active, and once you make sure of those, you can go ahead and proceed with your account closure. If you don't remove any remaining funds, then do not proceed with the deletion. Just make sure to remove any remaining funds first, and once you are done with it, from the home page of Quotex, go to the upper left corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu, click on My Account on the left. Now, from the My Account tab, scroll all the way down and look for the red Delete My Account button. Tap on that. And then in the pop-up, click on Request Deletion. Now, you'll need to confirm via email. So go ahead and open up your email inbox. Follow the link in the email in order to complete your deletion. Go check Open Your Email Inbox and you'll receive an email from Quotex. Click on it and then click on this link that appears on the screen and your Quotex account has been successfully deleted. So there you have it. That's how you properly request account deletion in Quotex in a safe and correct way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.